On top of the standard features built into the ScramblePad, such as the randomly ordered numbers, there are other options that can be set in programming to customize the ScramblePad's functions per each site or per each door. In this example, I will demonstrate the Extended Access feature with the ScramblePad. Extended Access is a special feature specifically designed for ScramblePads which allows the person who enters a code to decide how long the door will be left unlocked behind them. The default door mode time is 6 seconds, and the door open too long time is 12 seconds. This tool extends that time to a max of 1,440 minutes. This is commonly used in high security areas for users who need to return through a door but aren't allowed to take anything into the secured area, and there is no exit reader on the inside of the secured area. To program this feature, simply begin by opening Enrollment Manager. Then double-click to add a person or select the existing person to add this credential to. Then select Add New Credential. Once that window populates, go ahead and enter the necessary information. And in this case, we will need to keep the IDF as 1, and we will need to change the code length to 3. From there, we will set that PIN. And in this case, I'm going to enter the PIN of 222. Then once that PIN is set, I will go to the Function tab. I'm going to select Add. Make sure Access is set. Under Function, we're going to select Extended. Then for the door group, in this case, I will just select all doors, but again, the door group can be chosen and selected dependent on if it needs to be just one door, a group of doors, a specific location, however desired on site. So I'll select OK to save. Then I'll select OK again. Now that credential has been added, I'm going to close the Enrollment Manager. Next, we'll select Digitrack Configuration and expand the hardware tree all the way down until we can open our doors on the MX4. In this case, I'm going to select door number 3, which is the left side door. Now I will go into the entry reader, and then I will select Options. And on the ScramblePad options, I'm going to enable Use Keypad Numeric LED as Enunciator. Now we'll go over to Setup, and back to General. And then under General, I will select the Extended Access Override Time, which is the max amount of time that this door can be unlocked. I'm going to set that to 15 for this example. And then the Extended Access Warning Time, which is when it will sound as the timer is counting down to 2. Once that is set to 2, that will, when the timer is counting down, once there's 2 minutes left, it will trigger a warning and just beep from the reader itself. So I'm going to go ahead and select OK. And now that that programming has been configured, to test the feature, simply go to the desired door, select Start, type in the code, and press pound, and access will be granted. And as access has been granted, hit Start, enter the PIN again, then select *5. And now that time has been set. On the ScramblePad, there will be an image that has the specific time that door was unlocked for the extended access. So now my ScramblePad shows 005. That will count down all the way until it shows 000. And the specific ScramblePad will sound when it has 2 minutes left on this timer. And looking at the events, you see extended access, 5 minutes granted to Hayden Grant on the left side door. Now we'll let this count down and the door will relock.